are receiving monthly royalties, that means your minerals are producing, meaning they're going to be taxed as ordinary income when you file your tax return. And just like property taxes, you'll be taxed at the county level as well, which usually doesn't amount to a whole lot. If your minerals are not producing, then no taxes will apply since you are not receiving any monthly revenue. However, if a mineral owner sells his mineral rights, whether they're producing or not, they will be taxed on the sale of the minerals. The sale of the mineral or royalty rights will be taxed at long-term capital gains, provided the interests have been owned longer than 1 year, which that tax rate is much lower than ordinary income levels. In order to figure out what your tax burdens will be, we definitely advise you to speak with a tax professional. If you've inherited your mineral and or royalty rights interests, you should most definitely consider getting an appraisal. Furthermore, if you inherited your minerals and or royalty rights and you are considering selling or have sold some of your minerals and or royalties, then a retrospective appraisal is an absolute necessity, and your accountant will agree and be asking you for the value or basis, as they call it, whatever the value was at the time of inheritance. They need to know what that value is. It's an absolute must. Another reason for requiring a current value appraisal would be if you're transferring your interests into a trust. You'll need to know the current value of those interests before doing so. Lastly, whether you inherited or purchased mineral and royalty rights and you're considering selling for some reason, you just need a lump sum payment for college, or you need payment for taxes, you want to do some estate planning, a new vehicle, etc. Since mineral and royalty buyers value things differently from one to the next, and something is only worth what someone is willing to pay for it, is instead to put together a summary of what you want to sell and then take it out to market, so we receive a true market value appraisal of what your interests are worth.